Okay, for this example, they give you two line segments, which is then line segment AB and line segment CD. As you can see, they don't touch in your front view, but it looks like they're touching on your top view, in your top view. Okay, you're then going to draw a true length of either line segment AB or CD. I've decided we're going to use line segment AB because of this space on the paper. Okay, you start off by again constructing. Let's just use this one. Wait, okay. You're just going to construct the XY line, including line segment CD. Let's name this one X1 and Y1. From there on, you're going to draw perpendicular lines to line segment AB. Just line it up. Just have to make sure then, whenever you draw perpendicular or parallel lines, that everything is perfectly lined up, otherwise your answer is not going to be correct. Okay, then you can also draw perpendicular lines that's parallel to your AB's perpendicular lines out of C and D. Okay, using a rule of conformity that 1 equals to 4, you know size 1 is going to be somewhere here, point 1 is going to be somewhere in this line, size 2, size 3, size 4. Let's grab that size, or get that size. Okay, and then just plot it on your new axis, or from your new axis, which is then going to be capital letter A, and do the same with B. And again, it's capital letter because you know it's going to be a true length. Same with B. Oh, moved. And then capital letter B. And then you can do the same with line segment CD. After you just connect these two. Come on. I saw my previous video, the focus is out. It focused, then the focus goes away, and yeah. So I apologize. I hope you can see. I still see what I'm doing. But I give a few minutes between everything I do, just so that it focuses again. Okay, then rule of conformity, you get sizes for CD again. So you know C is going to be somewhere in this line, size 1, 2, between your XY and C. From C to XY is size 3, and from XY to C1 is going to be size number 4. And then you just plot it onto this line. And you know this is going to be C2 because it's not going to be a true length. Because there's no view that's parallel to your XY axis. And then the same with D. It's going to be size 1, size 2, size 3 to XY, and size 4 from XY to D1. Just follow the line and then you plot it. There we go. This is going to be D1. And then you just connect line segment CD. Okay, now you're going to want to draw a point view of line segment AB, because I'm using AB because it's a true length, and then you have a view that's parallel to your XY axis. Just extend this one, and then the same parallel to that line, just on the side. Parallel to your AB, you're gonna construct a line from D, as well as from, just move it up a bit again. Construct a line from C2. Okay, then same thing, rule of conformity, you know AB is gonna lie somewhere here, size 1. Oh, sorry, you have to construct a XY axis first. And this is going to be x2 and then y2. Okay, use rule of conformity, size 1, size 2 until B, size 3, size 4, and then again you know A and B is going to be the same because of your line being parallel to XY. So you know both A and B is going to lie on this line. It's going to be A2 and B2. Okay, then from there on you do the same with C. You follow size 1, size 2, size 3, and size 4 from X1, Y1. And then you just plot it down here. And you can name it C3. And the same with D. Fourth size, and then grab it this side. And then plot it on your D line, which is then going to be D3. Right, then you're just gonna connect line segment CD. Okay, from there on, you're gonna construct a perpendicular line from that's now a point, same as your previous example, a perpendicular line to CD. Let's just get this one lined up. And then through from AB to line segment CD. Okay, this is only going to be your shortest distance. If you want the true length of your shortest distance, you're now going to construct a point view again from this one, but we're not going to discuss that yet. Okay, then from this one, you can just construct a line from, okay, let's just call that L, parallel to your other lines. You're going to construct it over onto line segment CD, and that's going to be your L1. Right, from the point L1 you found now, you're going to draw a perpendicular line from line segment CD, from you connecting with L up into your line segment AB. Just line it up there. And then yeah, perpendicular line. And let's name that, let's say M. That's point M. And same with the point, you just parallel to these lines, the perpendicular lines you drew, you just take it up to XY. Yeah, and then from L also, let's connect it down there. Let's connect this one also. Okay, and this is going to be point M, and this is going to be point L2 and M1. And you know, let's make it M2. That's going to be M1, and there, the point you get there is going to be M. Okay, then you just connect the two, form a new line segment. It's going to be LM. There's L, and there's M. And this is going to be your shortest distance when you look when you view it from the front view. And then let's draw the one from the top view. Take it down. We connects with A and B. There's going to be M3 then, and then this one connects with CD. It's going to be L3. There you just connect those two, and then you're done. This is going to be your shortest distance on your point view. and then just from there on, it's only shortest distance with regard to your front view, and then shortest distance with regard to your top view. You're not going to write anything except when they ask for the true length of your shortest distance, but that we will discuss tomorrow in class.